is it?
Minchia. Stay in here.
Open up. Caruso, open up.
Hey,
Never leave me standing on the doorstep. I have to talk. It's urgent. Who's it?
no one. Why?
You have a woman here. Get her out of here.
There's nobody here.
Don't lie to me.
I said there's nobody. So, what is it?
My man at the guard has been told to prepare for a raid of the tannery today. We have a traitor. You have to get down there now. Huh? Warn the men. Clear the place out.
Who could have talked?
You leave that to me. There's more than $20,000 in bills in there. Get everything you can. And don't let the guard take anyone in. Ugabisti.
Minchia. That was too close.
Ciao, Signor Favara.
Can't talk now, Flavio. Where did she go?
I didn't see it.
Need to warn Cesare before all hell breaks loose.
Ciao, Enzo.
Where's Cesare?
He's inside.
Angelo, get everybody to the truck and get out of here.
On my way. Enrico, let's go.
Roberto, you clear this place out. Leave nothing. You capisti?
Got it.
Don't get caught.
Never do.
Cesare, someone talked. The guardie are on their way. We've got to clear this place out.
Beta madre. How long?
Anytime now. Cesare, me and you are going down there. We're going to get our people out.
Right behind you.
Looks like they're heading for the tannery.
Merda. The forge is down there.
And the press. We're fucked if they find that hidden room. We'll try and get that too. I don't know. Tino is looking for them. Know what they deserve. Merda.
Leave no stone unturned. Seize everything. Round up every conspirator you find. Suppose the stench doesn't bother you. This information had better be sound.
You see, Dorisi had this going on right under your nose, and you never would have found.
Figlio puttana.
Hey, remember your place. The agreement stands, but get in my way and I'll haul you in with the rest.
As soon as I find out what we agreed on, I'll be gone and away.
He's after the cash. I'll take care of it. You warn the men. Find the forger. Hey,
If
Enzo,
you have
in here.
criminals, you will face the full force of the law. Cooperate now.
La Umbra was here. I saw him with the guardie.
I know. Rat brought him right to us.
Fucking Surgi.
We'll deal with him later. Have you seen the forger?
He was down at the tannery, working the press last I saw him.
All right. Now go. Get out of here.
Good luck, Enzo.
Where's the forger?
Working on the press, I think. Down in the tannery.
Grazie. Now get out of here before more show up.
there's two that need checking on the far side.
Cristo! Thought you were the guardie.
You blind now, as well as stupid. Where's Giuseppe?
I don't know. He's not here.
You should get going. Stay low and find somewhere safe.
Look, right ahead. Move up. More casualties here, Caporale. All right, eye-sharp weapons ready. Listen up. Whoever did this could still be here. Fan out and find them. Let's go. Last chance to do this the easy way before I charge you. We know it.
Forget him for now. Where's the forger?
He was in the storehouse last time I saw him.
All right, you head towards the chapel and get out of here. Watch your backs. Giuseppe. 2 against 1. You're lucky to be alive.
They were unlucky to meet my knife up close.
Where's the money?
The scraping house. Almost a whole shipment, packed up and ready.
I'll go for it. You get out of here.
Gladly.
That's Cesare!
Merda! The scraping house!
Go, I'll be alright. This job has been
A fucking mess from the start.
There's another one up there! Top wing! Get some fire on him! We need to reach that door!
Kill him!
Figli puttana!
Fuga minchia! Cesare! Dai!
The car. The money's in the car. Oh, he's a fucking dead man. Come on.
Down, Enzo! Not getting away from me! Motherless snake! I'm going to cut him! Snuck up on me, the fucking rat! He has no honor. He's an animal! Watch out! Guardie are everywhere! What a fucking disaster! I never want to see this shithole again. Left! He turned left! Up ahead! What the fuck is he doing? Oh, minchia! What the fuck are you doing? Enzo! Figli puttana! Fuck! You alright? Don't ever do that again! All that money! Minchia! Keep on it! We finished this! Don't lose him in the fog! Get closer! Trying! Figli puttana! The fog, I can't see a fucking thing! Has to be worse for that one-eyed puglione. Keep going! How did that one-eyed bastard find the tunnel? Minchia, the jail! He saw the forger. Must have been looking for Giuseppe and tracked him down.
Or he figured out who you were.
Maybe. He and his brother would do anything to get at me.
And not just you now. He fucked all of us. Why can't anything go?
I think so, yeah.
It's his engine. I got him. Get your foot down, Enzo.
It is down.
Then what's the fucking holdup?
Deep heels and weak engine.
Minchia. We've got to go faster. Do something.
You want to get out and push? Be my guest. Fuck, he's heading to Collettore.
Minchia, we've got to stop him.
I know.
If he gets to Spadaro, turn.
I know. I'm on him. I don't see him.
He's got to be up here somewhere.
He can't be far. Let's find this coglione.
Hurry up.
Fatherless snake. I'm going to gut him. Idiota. Going to get himself killed. Where are you? Drop it.
Kill me, you start the war, huh? My brother will tear this valley apart.
When people hear you broke omertà, you'll be dead anyway.
Your word against mine?
How long have you been working with the guardie? Or did Spadaro set this up?
Why don't we just...
Bastardo. He was a caporegime, Cesare.
He was a soldier. Rat.
We can't leave him here.
Brucia all'inferno.
There will be hell to pay for this.
Lucky we had nothing to do with it then. Drank too much. Came off the road. Terrible accident.
He's here. Ruggero. Welcome. As a friend, I vouch for your safety and the safety of your men. Sit.
So why am I here?
You know why.
I'm afraid you'll have to enlighten me.
This is a time for plain speaking. Bernardo, let's have this out, eh? Ne guarda per an unwelcome visit to one of my ventures. Cost me a great deal.
And what does this have to do with me?
Corrado Bastoni, his brother, led the police to my door. He broke omertà and stole from me.
This is a serious accusation. Who make this claim?
Enzo Favara and Cesare Massaro.
Caruso. And have we?
They're both trusted men.
That wretch Bastone colluded with the law. I demand that this be made right.
That is a lie.
If Corrado did this, then he acted alone.
A man in your position should keep his dogs under control.
My brother is dead. Mere dead. Do you make these accusations?
What do you know of what he speak, Teresi? The killing of a man of honor would be a cause for war.
We know nothing about that.
Enough! Enough! Please. Be reasonable, eh?
Are you going to make this right?
There's nothing for me to remedy. And nothing further to discuss.